I'm standing right outside the Prime Minister's residence, and this is a place that saw a lot of action last night. The Prime Minister, like you know, in fact, we've all been reporting that he has been monitoring Operation Sindoor, since it started. It's a 25-minute high precision strike that happened, and I'm told by my sources that Operation Sindoor, the name itself came from the Prime Minister, because this is not just a move against Pakistan. This is also a justice for for Indian families, specifically for the women of this country. Many of them who lost husbands in this brutal attack in Pahalgam on 22nd of April. Sindoor is also something very symbolic to the Indian community. This is where the CCS meeting is going on. In fact, Rajnath Singh arrived here first, and he arrived here just 10-15 minutes before the press briefing began on Operation Sindoor. After that, it was Amit Shah, the Home Minister, who arrived. I'm told that Dr. S. Jaishankar, JP Nadda, everybody is still there, and the CCS meeting is on. After that, of course, the cabinet meeting will take place, and that is important because, remember, there's a domestic situation that also needs to be managed. It's a domestic narrative. There are logistics that have to be planned, because India is also planning to ensure that it has the right steps in order if a retaliation takes place. Vikram Misri, the Foreign Secretary, put it out very clearly that this is about a proportionate, responsible, measured response that India has taken. It's all about attacking the terror bases which have been not just funding terror but also preparing terrorists to come and attack India. And this has been going on for 3 decades, is what Colonel Sofia Qureshi also said. And this time, like you rightly pointed out, the scale of this precision attack is much more than what happened in Uri in 2016 or what happened after Pulwama in 2019, because this time we also have visual evidence. So this time the country is also prepared to set this global discourse that India knows how to respond proportionately without really hitting out at civilians or, for that matter, even military installations, but hitting where it hurts the most, and also, something that serves justice to its own citizens.
Okay.